I would like to introduce to you a revolutionary magnetic hinge. For a visual, I'm showing you a non-magnetic mechanical hinge, which is screwless and intuitive for assembly, disassembly. This same system becomes what I'm about to show you now. By inserting magnets in the temple part, this would be the temple part, and a magnet on the front part or the end piece part, you now are able not only to assemble, disassemble your temples, but you have a mechanical function that is nothing more than the counterpolarization of the magnets. By tweaking the magnets or aligning them in specific ways, you can choose to have either temples that close automatically or that would open automatically, where the hinge, the alignments allow for the temples to always open automatically. The same system can be also done in a multitude of magnet fields. In this case, we're looking at 3 magnets in line, 2 on the end piece and 1 on the temple. What this does is obviously give you a little more tensile strength. Here is the magnetic hinge being used on a plastic frame, and these little covers are optional for having the magnets visible or not. The idea here is that one may choose to use this hinge as a hybrid, mechanical hinge without magnets, or magnetic hinge once the magnets are inserted in their cavities. And that insertion can be basically decided at chain supply management level.